Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Camera Reaction. How you guys doing today? So guys, I'm here to do another reaction video to the group SB19, and this is a live performance of the song What at the Game Show. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm just hoping YouTube won't block this because I really do like this group. We came such a long way. Such a long way. It's been 1 year reacting on YouTube, so ba, 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 da. Love the smoke for effects. Oh, yeah. 19.
Pero wala na akong balak na tapusin. Di ibig sabihin pati tinapos ako hihinto na rin. Alam ko naman na di ako pinaka-ano magaling. Got no bliss with all of you, please. Destinies will be better.
Acting back to bra. To bra.
Nahiwan ka bawat nakasarang pintana sa aking dati lahat ngayon'y nagbubuka.
Living for the stage. Fire, fire,
Fire at ang bandera.
fire.
Nasa puso niyo na ang tatama. Ama, sala, bata't ikaw ang agiman.
Living for the stage.
Iwag ewan mo watawa.
Wow, 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 wow.
Watawa,
Wow, 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 wow.
watawa.
Hindi what got me fire.
Pare-pares lang tayo may pagkakaiba. Diba? Ika nila, ibang mundo na kikita niya. Mabuting iba, di gaya nila. Pigit ang mata, ang tama wala. Ulit-ulit, hindi. Subalit-ulit, basagan lang. Ulit-ulit.
Batu 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 ba. Batu bada. Oh bada. Come on. Wow, wow, wow.
What?
Yeah. Fire. Fire. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Sabihin sa'kin kung anong aking dapat gawin, di naman kayo.
Yes. Wow,
Dali ng hangin ang aking yagit, suot pa rin. Magpapanggap na ako pero hindi.
Yeah. Fire. Fire.
Gusto niyo na ang tatama.
Fire. Fire.
Kaya mata bandera.
Fire.
Nasa gusto niyo na ang tatama. Sila, bakit ko mag-iba?
Oh, I thought this would do the Nene for a minute. I love this. What?
What?
Yes. Give the K-pop boys a run for their money. I love it. I could see the K-pop influence mixed with the P-pop influence in there. I love it. SB19 became such a long way. They are killing it. They are killing it. I love the Watt song. I love the Watt performance. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Here for it. So I'm back again reacting to SB19. Please, YouTube, don't block it. Please, because I'm fighting to get these videos out. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Oh my god, let's clap for SB19. Love it. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.